Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Audrey, or on trail I go by North Star. Come with me as I explore some fall foliage in Michigan. On the agenda, we have lots of fall foliage, Mom's favorite. We have rocks from Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Lake Superior, even some Petosky stones. And of course, no trip would be complete without some short hikes. The descent of our flight into Traverse City, Michigan was gorgeous. It was so cool to see the leaves changing colors. They were so bright and vivid. Everyone on the plane had their windows open and were taking pictures. Stop oohing and awing. My mom loves fall because of the pretty fall colors, and so this was the perfect place to take her. Hello from Michigan. We are at Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. We're gonna head over to the dunes. Say hi! Hi! The rain just started, but we're at Pyramid Point, gonna do the hiking trail. It's 0.6 to the overlook.
I know your itinerary says it, but I'm wondering, are we? Are you getting it? Be able to walk through the woods.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. Please don't go in. Not what I expected. I don't know what I expected, but it's definitely not what I was envisioning. As I was walking through.
Mom's up there hiding behind the tree.
welcome. That's it.
This is Cherry Republic in Glen Arbor, Michigan. It's a place that has like over 200 cherry themed items. Cherry flavored candy and jelly and salsa, anything cherry flavored you can name. We went next door and got some different cherry flavored ice cream. We are at Glen Haven Beach. Gonna go take a look at the rocks that are down here. That is so cool. Do you see?
Ooh.
I'm at Glen Haven Beach on Lake Michigan, and I've got a batch of rocks for the tumbler. Up next was the dune climb at Sleeping Bear. We're at the famous dune climb right now. We're only gonna go over this dune. I think the actual hike's maybe like 3 miles till the huge overlook, but yeah, we're just gonna go up this. Heavy breathing.
This would probably be one of those where we think, darn, I wish I'd have brought a water up here. Oh, Audrey. Woo! There goes.
I bet it looks like I'm in slow-mo.
What a beautiful, perfect day.
We just hiked up to the top of the first dune. We all agree that we're glad that we made the effort, right?
Yes. Definitely worth it. The air changed a little. Maybe just a breeze.
The sun's behind the dune now. I wonder if down there, like in the center right there, if they have like showers or anything. So like say you
We ended our evening with a sunset hike on the Empire Bluff Trail, and this ended up being a trip highlight for us. It's about 5:45 in the evening. We just arrived at the Empire Bluff Lookout Trail, and it's 1.5 miles round trip. It ends at a boardwalk, so we're hoping to have dinner there and watch the sunset if the weather cooperates. It's cooling off very quickly. The parking lot was full when we pulled in, and the people hiking back said that there's a wedding going on right now. Hi, Dad. Hi, Joe.
Most definitely. Oh, look how beautiful. That sunset's going to be gorgeous.
yes it is.
There's the dune over there.
That is very beautiful. Hold on. That looks gorgeous. We're gonna watch the sunset.
What do you think, Mom?
That's beautiful view up here for sure.
Here's the wedding. Ten out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Do it again.
Absolutely.
All right, we found our dinner spot to watch sunset. Got Mom and Austin. This hike will be hard to beat on our Michigan trip. It was well maintained, easy, short, great lookout, and the sunset was incredible. We really enjoyed our evening.
This would be like my number one thing to tell someone.
To come to. Recorded a little snip of a video of our world basically because I was scared. I didn't know. I took a picture of that thing to tell what those were.
Mom.
In one of them.
Next up, we took the Shepler's Ferry over to Mackinac Island. Once we got on the island, we rented bikes and we rode out to Arch Rock. We are on Mackinac Island, Michigan. We are biking to Arch Rock right now. It's supposed to be a really pretty viewpoint. How many steps?
Oh, I stopped counting.
I think 64. I am in St. Ignace. This is Lake Huron, and I'm about to go down and get some rocks. What do you got? You got a Petoskey stone?
Everything's suspect now. I don't know.
I'm walking beside Lake Huron, looking for some cool rocks. I've got a bag of some. I would like to find a Petosky stone, but I don't know if those are only Lake Michigan. What do you got?
It's too big to tumble.
Yeah,
It
too
was
big
just
to
the
tumble.
colors. I just thought the colors in it
Yeah.
were kind of cool that they went through there. Like I don't think that means anything or not.
Might be a Petosky stone. I need to see what I have. This is my limit for my Huron rocks in the Ziploc baggie. Let's see. Like Huron. Maybe a Petosky stone. I'll have to tumble it and see. Pudding stones? Maybe? I don't know. This rock was green. I like it. Like this one. Good morning from Michigan. We drove to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan and went to Palms Brook State Park, and they have an attraction called the Kitch Itty Kippy, and it's this giant spring that you can take a wooden raft out and look at the spring from above. This raft is propelled by that wheel you see on the right side, so people were taking turns spinning it to get us out on the spring and back.
Sorry. Thanks. Oh, they do say it's a short thing.
Oh, look at this big fish over
You see
there.
those fish in the water?
Oh my gosh, look how big.
Mm-hmm. Turning this wheel might look easy, but I promise you that it's harder than it looks, and you actually have to put some effort into it.
Pretty cool.
Okay, if you don't believe me, it took 2 guys to get us back.
Gosh, it seems.
This is the wire that we traveled across to get out over the spring and back.
Much appreciated.
When I walked in, I said, Mom's gonna like this. When doing research for things to do in Michigan, I kept seeing recommendations to try a pasty. Now, I know this word looks like the word pasty, but it's pronounced pasty, and apparently it's an Upper Peninsula thing. Shortly after trying the pasty, which was good by the way, we went to pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. When we left this overlook, we went to Mackinac Falls and did a hike. After that, we finished our evening at Tahquamenon Falls. So pretty. We just got to Lake Superior Overlook. Gonna head down and get some rocks. Got some full ones. Ooh, that's cool.
I don't
Tahquamenon Falls. Tahquamenon.
Tahquamenon, like phenomenon.
The restaurant.
We are going to the upper falls at Tahquamenon Falls State Park. I love when it does this on trail. Oh wow. How does Audrey on the North Country Trail sound?
Oh gosh. You gotta go down and you gotta go up them. It reminds me of, not really, but John's and Chevins.
Yeah.
How they made it where you can walk down there. Well, good call, Austin, coming on over.
Yeah, I like this angle of it.
Yeah.
Airbnb, we'd crank the heat up and then like everyone keep the shower first to warm up.
I'm in Petoskey, Michigan. Right now I'm at Magnus Park and we are going to look for some Petosky stones down in Lake Michigan. So I didn't really know what to expect or how frequently to find Petosky stones. Turns out I'm not very good at finding them. I am having some trouble finding a Petosky stone. Austin said he thinks he found one.
I think.
I think so too. Like, is this a Petosky stone? Like, are those the honeycombs? I don't know. Because if so, this has the black spots too. I don't know. I finally found one. See it? Yay! All right, Austin, show me what you have.
I got these two.
Oh, for sure. How fun. Might have found another.
Another?
I think it's one.
I'm coming to you.
I'm moving down.
Go ahead and pick that one, and then I see another one. Show the camera. Okay. And then the other one I think is this. Are those hexagons? Oh!
Wow. Hawaii, that's funny.
Got to do the poop.
Like, well,
Austin just found this one. It has some cool bands on it.
It's got one of those
Ooh.
fossil like. Gosh.
Let me see. Oh, it's so good.
That's the
Okay.
best.
oh,
That's the mother.
Let me know if I can help.
Aw. This was Magnus Park on Lake Michigan, and would you guys say we had a successful Petoskey hunt?
Yes.
I would say yes.
All right, next rock hounding spot, we're at Bayfront Park West. Supporting the addiction this morning is my mom and little brother Austin.
No, it just was what it was supposed to be.
So. Yeah. Yeah, I'm totally going.
They're size-wise. First find at Bayfront Park West. Mom just hollered at me. She says she thinks she found her first one. Was it wet or dry?
Right, and it might not be, so you say.
This one.
For sure, but you
Yep.
think not this one?
I don't think that one, but this one. This one has cool bands on it. Yeah, with the
Oh, I see this little thing.
turn on this side. Yeah, those. Okay. Oh,
This one is not one, but I just thought it was kind of cool.
Oh, that
Yeah.
one's very pretty.
okay.
Here's my others.
That has the spots like Mom's. Yes.
I don't know if any of these
This one
really
is
are.
for sure. All right, got my daily fix. Our last stop before going to the airport was Torch Lake. It's known for its turquoise blue waters.